Hey guys, it's Triya and welcome back to my channel. So now it is Indian festival time and so much festivals are coming. So let's be practical guys. सुबह सुबह किसी को टाइम नहीं होता अपने बालों को स्ट्रेट करे या कर्ल करे और एक पूरा ब्यूटी regime follow करे. But though we have to look put together. So here I am sharing this bomb look right here and yeah, if you're wondering how I achieved this look right here, then please keep on watching. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell right next to it so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's get started. Already prepped my skin with some moisturizer, but I'm going to use a serum here as a primer. So it is a Lotus Professional Whitening and Brightening Serum. This is my fab. After using this serum, I will wait for 13 seconds, I guess. So let's start the brows first. So for brows, I'm going to use this Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. Now I'm going to use this pencil side and it has a teardrop shape. I don't know you can see that or not, but it's a really good pencil. Not that pigmented, which is good. It is a waxy kind of formula, so it don't give you that boxy kind of look, which is, I don't know, that's look nasty for me. This I am going to use the spoolie side and distribute the product evenly. Now I am going to clean them with some concealer. Prime my lids with some concealer too. Now it's time for the eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution palette. This is in the shade Marvelous Mattes, and I'm going to use this orange shade right here. Use a little bit and blend it properly. Next I'm going to use this shade right here. So I'm going to use this shade on my lids. Now I'm going to use the orange shade again and blend the two colors properly. So for the concealer, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm not going to use any foundation because
when you are late, you have no time for blending foundations, and the concealer is, use some concealers and you are good to go, baby.
I'm going to set my under eyes with some powder. For the blush, I'm going to use this sugar blush in the shade Coral Climax. Now I'm going to use some highlighter, and with that I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Curl my lashes and prepare them for some mascara, and I'm not going to use any false lashes today because
it's a quick festive makeup look.
For the mascara I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. It is the best.
If you use that, you don't need any false lashes, baby.
For my lips, I'm going to use a red color today because I'm feeling this. So I'm going to use this Nykaa lipstick in the shade Misti. And this is a gorgeous pinkish kind of red color, but you can use any kind of nude lipstick. It is a little bit watery. This particular shade actually, I don't know why, but it is a gorgeous color. A beautiful silver jhumkas. This is from the Instagram store Etude, and I will leave the link down below. They are gorgeous. It will look gorgeous if I wear a bindi. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and enjoy. Bye bye.